Hello, in this video I'm going to put together a Dutch fold card. Now the collection that I'm going to decorate my card with is a digital download collection from the Crafty Witches called the Dog and Cat Calf. Now all these images here have all been drawn by Kevin Wood. So to start off with, I'm going to need 2 pieces of white card. The first one measures 24 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters, and this is going to be scored at 9 centimeters. This first one, and then you just need to fold and burnish it. Okay, just put that one to one side, and then the second piece of card, this one measures 29 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters, and this one's going to be scored on either end at 7.2 centimeters. You don't need the scoreboard anymore. So again, just fold these inwards and burnish them down. And then this is going to be attached here to the inside of the card, just at the bottom. So we're just going to add some adhesive on the longest part of the back, and then just attach that into place. Just make sure it's level. There you go. So just let that dry. Now the card for decoration, I've gone and cut all my mats and layers out. So this is this and this, I should say. This is an A4 insert from the kit. So I've actually before I printed the insert out, I've actually reduced the insert down to 75%, and then I've cut a square out to fit the inside of my card base, and then the image that was also on the insert, I've just gone and fussy cut around there, and then I'm just going to attach that onto there. So the card, this is the solid colour is also from the collection too. Now this measures, just double check, it's 14.5 centimeters, the solid colour, by 14 centimeters. So I've cut the insert down to 14 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters. Just going to carefully move that because with it being wet glue, it's not quite attached. So we're just going to attach this to the inside of the card base. And then I'm going to use foam pads to attach the image. just going to add a small amount of glue just for a bit of extra security, and I'm going to attach this just there at the bottom. And so the top bit here, this is my inside part. This measures, so the solid colour measures 8.5 centimetres by 14 centimetres, so taking the pattern paper down to 8 centimetres by 13.5 centimetres. Now you're going to need two this side, one for the inside, and then I've done another one just for the front of the card there. So just attach the inside one first. And then we can attach the outside one. Just make sure that's in the right position. There we go. So outside and then the inside. Now I'm going to decorate the two sides here, and for this I have actually done matching card for the inside. So these, the solid colour measures 6 centimetres by 6.5 centimetres. So the pattern paper measures 5.5 centimetres by 6 centimetres, and they are both just going to pop on the side there, just to decorate the inside fully. Now I've done another two exactly the same measurements for the outside of my card. Okay, so it's the inside of my card, and then my outside. As you can see, the outer layer just slightly hangs over the bottom layer there. And so next I've got one of the toppers from the collection, and all I've done is cut the topper out and then made a white matte layer that measures 9 centimetres by 9 centimetres, and this is going to go at an angle. So you can see the diamond shape there, so that when you open the card, you see from that angle, the topper there stops the card from closing. I'm just going to attach that to there. I'm just going to use foam pads So just want to make sure I get this in the right position. Again, just adding a small amount of glue for extra support. And then just position that just there. And then, like I said, you can just see where it stays open slightly when it's stood up. And then I've also got one of the sentiments. I've made a white matte layer for the sentiment, and this one says especially for you. And I'm just going to put a bit of foam pad on there and attach that to the top. Okay. So the card does fold flat and fit nicely into an envelope, and then when opened up, it then sits. Let me just fold it down a bit. It then sits like that. So it's slightly open, and the topper just holds the base open, like this, like that. So Dutch fold card is quite an easy card to make. Just need to cut 2 pieces of A4 white card out, and then the decoration is entirely up to you. You can add more to it, add flowers to it, for that wow factor. But that's just an easy way just to show you how to make one. So hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Goodbye.